All right, last one.
Questionable $2,500 hoodie makes you look like you were plucked out of Minecraft. The pixelated silk pants that you've been searching for are here as well. Is this for a fashion show or is it to actually use? I always wondered that. Is it like inspiration or do you wear this? It's $2,500, so I'm not buying it to wear it on this show for the purpose of the gag. Although that would be really weird looking. Hey, just a guy on a show wearing that, and you're like, is this guy a cartoon or?
But I feel like this is like in full effect. If you're sitting around or like just walking normally, like the effect of this pixelated thing would not hold too well.
Can I just ask you a question?
Okay.
Man cave or caveman?
Which one sounds better?
Man cave or caveman? Go ahead.
I like cave.
Go ahead.
I like caveman.
Okay. Yeah, it makes it look like you're in a retro type of game. And oh god, is the lower part? Oh, that weirds me out. The skin tone of the lower part.
Almost got you there.
I didn't know what you were scrolling into there. The way it's quite a confusing look. So who's responsible for this? The Pixel Collection, from Low. It was at Paris Fashion Week in October, and the listing of the products includes the $2,500 hoodie, $3,400 purse, $2,500 pants, $1,850 for the t-shirt, and $790 for the denim skirt. So very affordable prices. I don't know if Balenciaga approves of any of this. I doubt it, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
But maybe that's our future. Fewer pixels. I doubt it.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Web design. You would have been proud of something like that at one point. In your life.
Yeah.
Responsive.
This is fun.
So responsive. So what if I want to buy one? You just buy it right now? Let's see how that experience goes. Give me the hoodie.
You want the hoodie?
Yeah, I want the hoodie. And give me a large. Oh, all right. Sold out already. Damn, dude. Well, that didn't... Can you fit? You can't fit into... Why are you putting extra small on there? It does look oversized. I mean, look at how high fashion this is. Oh, you can be like that for only $3,000? Come on, Will. That's you.
I don't mind it.
That's you, man. Oh, man.
I'm not going to buy it for the purpose of this show, though.
You walk around like this. You put those shades on. Imagine you just go, you're like, there's you and you go to Costco and you look like that. What kind of energy you think you're getting back in your direction? Yeah.
Yeah, they would kick me out immediately.
Somebody calls it CSS drip, go hard.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay, yeah.
You know about the cascading style sheets, don't you?
Yes.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.